Hello and welcome to the video for this Ricoh little compact camera. HZ15 is the model number with SR in red. 16 megapixel image is 15 times optical zoom and has a shake reduction or image stabilizer, I suppose, as we know it. It comes with a wrist strap attached to it as well and some accessories which I'll go through in a moment. Got a nice little camera. This is nicely made. It's got a decent rubberized grip on the side there, and it has optical zoom. It's all quite small little buttons, but the camera is small and the display is quite good in resolution. I mean, this is just really just a talk you around video to show you the overall condition, which is not bad at all actually. It doesn't look like it's been hardly used. Piano black finish there, and the optics are good. The lens isn't scratched and it has its lens protector that goes over the lens when you turn it off. On the bottom is a tripod mount, and SD card. Doesn't come with an SD card, that's just mine to stop it from flashing up memory. And there's a battery in there, which is a LB-050 3.7 volt lithium battery. Unfortunately, the charger isn't with this, but it does come with a little sort of multi-purpose USB output as well, charger. I'll just show you how that works. So you plug the 240 volt mains adapter into it. It also puts out 0.8 of an amp on the USB there as well, so you can plug it in and have it as a USB charger. And it's quite nifty, this. It can also charge up plenty of other lithium batteries up to about 4.2 volts. This one's 3.7, so I think most of these camera batteries are about 3.7 and phone batteries are 3.7. But you just pull down the little holder, pop that back, that clamps the battery shut, and then you just adjust the pins to where the positive and the minus are. So the two positive and minus contacts are at the far end of these of this battery. So you just move the contacts to the location, pop the battery in, little illumination comes up. This one's fully charged, it shows fully charged. If it was empty, that would be right down the bottom. And then you plug it in and it charges up, so it can take the place of lots of little lithium ion rechargeable batteries if you don't have chargers and cameras with missing batteries. So that's the camera. There's the charger. There's a micro USB data cable and pretty nice little good condition Samsonite carry bag for it as well, with pockets and a shoulder strap as well. Anything else in there? Nope. It's got a belt mount on the back as well, and also a little tripod which extends out. It has the mount on the top there for your screw into the camera ratchet system, but also it holds the camera quite nicely for video use. So desktop tripod and video mounting little handheld tripod does the job nicely. And just one last glance at the camera, all working well, autofocus fine, and 16 megapixels. Good little camera. Thanks for watching.